Hello, welcome to our channel Remedies and Beauty Tips. If you are new to our channel, please press the subscribe button for more remedies and beauty tips.
Face skin problems in summer, like tanning, sunburn, heat rashes, acne. If you want to get rid of all these problems, then use this face cleanser in summer.
This summer facial massage makes your skin cool and fresh. Now, the ingredients required to make this remedy are 1 tablespoon pulp of plum, aaloo bukhara, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey, mix it well. Plum is best for the fairness and freshness of your. Apply it on your face. Massage for 15 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more remedies and beauty tips videos.